Did you know that most people who go through training programs to learn affiliate marketing still struggle because they don't know where they should put all their focus and attention on just to get started, or what they should be doing in their business every day to move it forward? And the reason why is a lot of training programs only offer information and some done for you copy and paste system. But it takes more than that for somebody who's a complete beginner to start seeing results. What a lot of those training programs don't offer is accountability, so you have that little extra push to show up in your business consistently. Some of them don't even give you clarity, which is important because you need to understand what you should be doing in your business every day to move it forward, and you won't be posting content hoping that it gets some type of engagement. And some training programs don't even offer any support, and this is important because you want to be able to ask questions and actually get them answered. If this sounds like something that you're missing in your business and you need help, the first thing to do is make sure that you're following me. Second, leave a comment if this video resonates with you. And third, I'll reach out to you in DM and give you more information. There's so many people who give up after spending weeks, months, or even years trying to figure all this out because they didn't have the right structure that they needed to start getting results that they could have been getting a long time ago. When you have the right training that gives you the tools and the mindset to start getting results, you'll no longer feel lost in your business. That's because you'll have a clear plan of action and a proven method that actually works, instead of posting some clickbaity videos and hoping that they go viral. So once again, if this video resonates with you and you need help, just drop a comment and I'll reach out to you.